दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट के जजमेंट में अगेन 4 years लगे, बट कैन यू बिलीव इट, हियरिंग एक हुई है, and then come to know judge could see through ki what is the kind of arguments which HAL has given against me. I'm not feeling bad, I just brushed aside because they didn't have any other arguments, that's why they were trying to bring me down ki he's a gold digger or this is whatever it is. But once the things were clear ki acha ye cheez hai and this is what the aspects which are coming out, the judgment has been delivered. Now HAL has got a workmanship problem, that is their they need to do the inherent introspection and nobody else can do it. We are only interested in result. Do Indian Air Force bother about ki why should they, unko ek platform milna chahiye which should work, because they have other work to do rather than thinking about unki problems.
Yes.
You keep thinking about this problem, aap guard ko de do, uska kaam hai bahar se कोई वो ना करे, मतलब आए ना हो, उसका काम है उसको रोकना, उसको उसके ऊपर गोली मारना ये वगैरह, बट ही इज स्टिल बॉदर्ड अबाउट पीछे से यार मेरे वो अच्छा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग नहीं चल रही है गोलियों की, if he has to bother about that, what will he, how will he do the primary duty? It's a similar thing. People are not understanding these small little things because in the larger context everybody forgets this. So this is the aspect which they need to think about it. So HAL building very good platforms, and to be honest, if they are faltering in few aspects, in few things they are not at fault. Like for example, engine, it is to come from US. If US is arm twisting you, it is geopolitics. वो नहीं अगर इंजन प्रोवाइड करेंगे, वो एयरफ्रेम तैयार करके क्या करेंगे बताओ, उनको तो एयर टेस्ट भी करना, उसको प्लेटफॉर्म को एयरवर्दी बना के देन दे हैव टू गिव. सो दे आर नॉट एट फॉल्ट एट दैट स्टेज. दे माइट बी एट फॉल्ट यहाँ पे यहाँ, बट यू कैन नॉट कंबाइन कि भैया HAL इज कंप्लीटली एट फॉल्ट. नो, दे आर नॉट, एंड दे आर डूइंग अ गुड जॉब. अगर इफ दे प्लेटफॉर्म्स कम अप, तेजस इज अ वेरी गुड प्लेटफॉर्म, लेकिन इंजन नहीं है. किसका फॉल्ट है? ये कंट्री का फॉल्ट है, इकोसिस्टम का फॉल्ट है कि दे नेवर क्रिएटेड एन इकोसिस्टम टू क्रिएट अ इंजन.